and came from islands with a dream so bright, fighting for the youth, standing up for their right. An advocate for justice, a voice loud and clear. He's got the strength and wisdom like a pioneer. With degrees in hand, he's ready to lead. Cut to cut, Hawaii, shield to numb. Together we rise, we'll never back down. With passion and courage, we'll tear down the walls. Empowered and ready, we stand tall through it all. Cross the seas to the land of the brave, learning new skills, helping hearts to save. From nursing to law,